What's going on, everybody? This is Rico back with another good video. And so today I'm trying out new types of water. Herbal water, cinnamon, and orange peel. This one here is ginger, lemon peel. This one here is lemongrass, mint, vanilla. And this is herbal water, and that's lavender mint. So we're about to get into this. So doing a taste test with this here. So I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and just start off. So what been going on, y'all? Oh, cinnamon. All right, we're gonna do the cinnamon first. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Ooh. That's got a nice smell. All right. Oh. Okay. Maybe this might have to be shaken or something. I don't know. So, all right, let's do this again. You could okay. I can't taste the peel or nothing. I could taste the cinnamon. The cinnamon is really there, and it's just water. It's not sweet, not at all. Oh, I can feel it. It feel like one of them old Fireball candy, but it's just real light, very hint. So, all right, what is this one here? This is ginger and lemon peel. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just shake this. Yeah, okay. Well, they do fill it all the way to the rim. Okay, you could really get that ginger smell. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Now this one here, hold up. I don't know. I don't drink ginger. I used to try to drink ginger ale, and it got that ginger taste to it, but like I said, it's just water with the flavor in it. So, so far I don't have my which one I like better though. So now I tried cinnamon. I tried ginger, lemon peel. This is the one that's gonna get me here. Let me see. All right, we're gonna do lemongrass. All right. Oh wow, that's that mint vanilla. You could really smell the mint. I don't know where the lavender come in at or the vanilla, but there you go. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. Like I said, it's not sweet. I don't think it got no sugar in it or nothing. Let me see. Does it? No. Everything is wow. This might be just good for anybody to really drink because everything is just all straight zeros. I don't know if you could see that or not, but they all just zeros there. Ain't nothing. There's nothing in this. This right here, you could really taste the mint. I don't know where the lemongrass come in at. I don't taste. Okay, a little hint of the lemongrass. I remember what that tastes like now. Okay, but you definitely could taste the mint in that, and this is not so bad. All right. And these was 3 for $5. All right. Did I try this one here? Okay. This is lavender mint water. Okay, so let me go ahead and give this a shake. Ooh, pardon me. Ooh, pardon me. Ooh. You could taste the lavender. I didn't never think you could. Wow, that is so weird. Let me see. My best one, I want to say, this is okay. It's okay, but it's not there yet. All right, let me get this one more taste test here. I don't care for this. That's lemongrass, vanilla mint. So I'm gonna pour this one back. All right, and I didn't really care too much about that either. The lavender mint. All right, so we're gonna put these two right here, and let's give this a try one more time. This is so odd because I get a kick out of this because it's water, but you might be thinking you drinking just a little hint of ginger there. Okay, like I said, this is once again the cinnamon. I say maybe these two is maybe my best. So these two I'm gonna put back here, and these two here is one of my, I say, maybe my best ones. These two, and so. All right, if you ever have tried this, please let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with everybody, and comment down below if you ever had this. Like I said, these are 3 for $5. I mean, it's all right. I don't know. They could have made them just a little bit more, but the cinnamon, yeah, I like the cinnamon, and where's the other one? And I like this one here. So these is one of my two by far favor instead of these two. Nah, they're all right though. But all right, y'all have a blessed day. I'm up out of here.